Hey guys, if you're interested in seeing what I use and how I make my rose water for my locks, continue watching. So I wanted to go and get all new tools and everything because I knew I was going to be selling my rose water and I didn't want to use anything old from my kitchen. So here I am just shopping at Walmart, picking up everything that I needed to make and bottle my rose water. And I'm just checking everything out. I got distilled water. I got 2-quart pot. I also, you'll see right here, I'll get a measuring cup to pour, and then they had a really cute strainer. And I'm just gonna I used a dozen roses and I just peel them off. And I'm using a little disposable pan because I'm gonna be washing the rose petals. So I'm just separating all of them, making sure that there's no bugs or anything. And after separating a few at a time, I'm gonna go ahead and begin washing them off with lukewarm water. And this process, it took a while because I ended up doing a full dozen roses for this batch. And here I am just, giving it a second rinse. You just want to make sure you rinse them really, really good. Okay, so I had my pot going and it was just warm water that I let it go up to. It wasn't fully boiling before I added all my roses in, and I just went ahead and put all of them in there at the same time. And I'm just kind of pressing them down. They will float. They're not gonna like sink to the bottom or anything, but I was just trying to make sure that they got saturated with the water, most of them. And then you'll see in just a bit, I'm gonna cover it with the lid. And this is how they look after about 30 minutes. And I let them go for maybe about 5 more minutes or so before I removed them from the heat. And then I just used the strainer to scoop out all the rose petals. You see how they changed color significantly? And I'm just gonna scoop all of them out, making sure I get all of the rose petals out. And then I'm just gonna allow this to cool. And you see the water turn really pretty, like light rose color, and the petals are almost translucent. It was so pretty and it smelled so good. And I just covered it back up with the lid while it cooled. And here's the bottles that I'm using. They're the spray misters, and I'm gonna sanitize them by using some rubbing alcohol. And I just kind of swish it around and just allow it to just dry after I shake it all up in there and pour it out. And then I just allow my bottle to dry before adding my rose water in. Alright, so here I am just filling in the bottle. It looks really, really pretty, and I was like so excited to use it. I went to the bathroom right away. And here I am just spraying the rose water on my hair, my locks. Slow-mo time. And it has so many benefits. I've been using rose water since the beginning of my journey, but this is my first time DIYing, and I'm so happy with the way that it came out. Thanks, guys.